Hello everyone, myself Shivani Patil. I study in class 9th. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Study Aim. In our earlier video, we have seen exercise 1.3 question number 1 to 4. In our today's video, we are going to continue with question number 5. So let's begin. The question is, what can the maximum number of digits be in the repeating block of digits in decimal expansion of 1 upon 17. So in this question, we need to find the maximum number of digits in the repeating block of digit in the decimal expansion of 1 upon 17. So let's first find the decimal expansion of 1 upon 17. So I have done the division in the rough and I will be directly writing the answer. The answer is 0.0588234117647. This block of digit is repeating. So it is asked to write the number of digits. So let's write 1. First we'll count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 16 is maximum number of digit in the decimal expansion of 1 upon 17. So here 16 is the maximum number of digits in the repeating block of digit in the decimal expansion of 1 upon 17. So first here what we have done is that we have first find the decimal expansion of 1 upon 17 and then we have count the numbers, how many numbers are repeating. So here 16 numbers are there and this is the block of digits that is continuously repeating. So this is how we have to perform in these type of questions. Now let's move on to the next question. Look at several examples of rational numbers in the form p by q where q is not equal to 0, where p and q are integers with no common factors other than 1 and having terminating decimal representations or expansions. Can you guess what property q must satisfy? In this question, we need to look at several examples of rational numbers that are in the form p by q where q is not equal to 0 and these integers should not have no common factors other than 1 and they must have the terminating decimal representations. So in the solution we'll look at various examples of rational numbers and we will see what property q must satisfy. So let's take 36 upon 100. Here q is equal to 100. Let's do the prime factorization. 2 5s are 10, 5 zeros are 0, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. So what here we are getting 2 square into 5 square. Now let's see the other one, 33 upon 8. Here q is equal to 8. Let's do the prime factor. Let's find out its factors. So 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Here also we are getting 2q into 5 0. 5 raised to power 0 means 1 only. Next one will be 329 upon 400. Here q is equal to 400. 2s are 4, 2 zeros are 0, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 zeros are 0, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5, which is equal to 2 raised to the power 1 2 3 4 into this. So here we have found that the prime factorization of this cube has only powers of 2 or powers of 5 or both. In all of these, see here also there is power of 2, power of 5, 2, power of 2, power of 5, and power of 2 and power of 5. So therefore we conclude that the prime factorization of Q has only powers of 2, 5 or both. Here also we can see, here also the Q is 100, and when we have done the prime factorization we have got this value, and here also we could see that the powers are of 2 and 5. Here also the powers are of 2, 5, 2, 5. So here the Q is of the form 2 raised to the power m into 5 raised to the power n. Of this form, here we can find the Q. Now let's move on to the next question. In the question number 7, we are going to write 3 numbers whose decimal expansions are non-terminating and non-recurring. So the 3 numbers can be 0.1010001000, again 0.300030003000, again it can be 0.60600600, 0.15015015001500. So these are some of the numbers whose decimal expansions are non-terminating and non-recurring. Now let's see the 8th question. In this question we are going to find 3 different rational numbers between the rational number 5/7 and 9/11. First we will find the value of these both. Value of 5/7 is 0.714285. 0.714285, and that of 9/11 is 0.81 and a bar over 81. So the irrational numbers between these would be 0.750750075000, again 0.760760076000, again 0.72720720. So these are the 3 different rational numbers between the rational numbers 5/7 and 9/11. First we have found the value of these both, and these are between 71 and 81 approximate, and then 7500, then 7607600, then 72207200. In this way we have found the 3 different rational numbers between these. Now let's move on to the next question. In question number 9, we are going to classify the given numbers as irrational or rational. The first one is root 23. This is of course irrational. Then the second one is root 225. Root 225 equal to 15. So this is rational number. The third one is 0.3796. This is also rational. The fourth one is 7.478478. This number is also a rational number. Then the last one is 1.100010001000. This one is of course an irrational number, as we have studied this type of numbers also. And by the end of the exercise, we are able to identify the rational and irrational numbers. Hope you understand these concepts. If you are new on my channel, then please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such kind of videos. Thank you for watching the video. In our next video, we will see the representation of real numbers on the number line.